Hi guys, I'm here with myself today, and I made slime. Slime. I'm gonna show you 5 ways to make terrible. Just kidding, I'm not. Because I don't really have any terrible slimes. You know what? When you make sticky slime, you hate it, right? You absolutely hate it because it always gets stuck to you when you touch it, right? So I have a little, and it's a big container of slime. It has glitter and puff balls in it. Puff balls overtook. Wait. Look at this. Look. Puff balls overtook it. Like, literally overtook the sign. Okay, pretend this is a tiny bit sticky.
Well, what she made it tell me? Oh, you know why you tell me that?
So what you do is, I can't solution or touch. Right now, I'm literally just couple drops. If you add a lot, you're just gonna need to throw away the slime. So then you mix it. You mix it. You mix it. I'm just gonna leave the thing over here. I know how to do double chin and a normal double chin. Now to make sure it's good, you need to be able to cut it, and it won't hold it like way down. So
AJ, leave that. AJ,
we'll see. Like, then you do. That's what I'm gonna do.
Because she made a worry, you know, she made freak out. So she don't like left by herself. He said, then when next time you may left by herself too, and she never know. He said, because they may broke in your apartment and you had to go and he said, then
I'm gonna add one butter slime that's like really stiff into the slime. And make a hole, spray some, and close the hole. And you're naked and you're not unbelievable. Enough, Renee, you need to help me clean up. See, if you do poking fast, it's good, but if you do poking slow, sorry, that one. Well, it's supposed to stick to you, but I just made it. Unbelievable. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get a little bit of this slime, put it in. I already put a little bit, but it was a lot more. Okay, so this will basically overtake the slime. I don't know. This is liquid. Hold it. These are review pens. I don't know. Tell me about who that cares. That's YouTube. Rub until it gets like stickier that you can't rub. Thing that's about to rub on the table in the middle. doing this, stretching out, and curling it. So yeah, so that was my slime tutorial. Thanks for watching, everybody.